There will be plenty of dryways, sidewalks, and roads that need clearing tomorrow. And WCCO's Jeff Wagner found out how cities are preparing and how you can make sure that you are ready for the task. Jeff?
Yes, Amelia, one thing we want to put on your radar, if you're someone who parks in the street, be ready for a possible snow emergency. If your town or city is known to declare one, it's possible that could happen tomorrow or on Saturday. So keep that in mind, along with testing out your equipment if you haven't already.
If you're running the proper fuel in it, most of the time you're not going to have an issue.
The proof is in the pull. Jim Olsen filled his snowblower with fresh oil and fuel Thursday, well before any snow falls.
I just don't want to be stuck here in the garage pulling away on my snow blower that doesn't start.
That's the type of phone call.
This is the scraper blade right here.
Maxwell Holly knows he'll get Friday.
Hey, my snowblower doesn't start. Can you fit me in today? And I'll have to say no.
The small engine mechanic already has a shop full of blowers getting tuned up or repaired, but there's several small fixes he says owners can handle themselves.
It's a good thing to change the oil every season and spark plug every season.
Also, check the thickness on the skid shoes.
But once this pad is worn off, then you just have to replace them. They're like 12 bucks a piece.
While Holly stays busy with repairs, Minneapolis plow trucks will be timing out the impending snow and pre-treating roads until then.
We'll probably have about 50 trucks out on the streets during the day as it's snowing hard. We'll also be out trying to treat trails and bike lanes.
With several inches expected to fall, the Public Works Department suggests people avoid unnecessary trips.
The evening commute could be pretty tough.
And if you're able to work from home,
that might be a good choice.
One last reminder for you, if you are a homeowner in Minneapolis, do not forget to clear a path on your sidewalk. You have 24 hours to do so, or else you could get a ticket. If you are a business or a residential property, such as an apartment, you have 4 hours until sunrise to clear the sidewalk. So don't forget that part as well.
Good reminder, Jeff. Thank you.